Hi everybody, so this is the second video in my series on the roots of a quartic equation. So in this example, we've been given the quartic equation in its general form, and we're told that this has real coefficients, so a, b, c, and d, and e are real numbers, and the two of its roots are 2i and 1 minus I. We've been asked to work out the values of the coefficients a, b, c, d, and e. So because it's a quartic equation, we know it will have 4 roots, and we're given 2 of them, but we know complex roots come in complex pairs. So we know that one of the roots we're given as 2i, so beta will be the complex conjugate of 2i, this will be negative 2i. We're told another root is 1 minus I, so this will be gamma, and then we know delta will be its complex conjugate, or 1 plus I. And I want to show you that by storing these 4 roots in a calculator, we can make the rest of the equation fairly straightforward. So if we get a calculator, we go to menu, and we want complex mode, which is 2. Then we can input 2i, so 2i. We'll store this as variable a. We'll have negative 2i, which we'll store as variable b. 1 minus I, which we'll store as variable c. And 1 plus I, which we can store as variable d. Okay? So now we can work out each of these 4 values. Well, the sum of alpha is the sum of the individual roots. So we'll say the sum of alpha will be equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. And on our calculators, this is simply the variable a plus the variable b plus the variable c plus the variable d. And this will give us 2. So then the sum of alpha beta, this will be the sum of our possible products of the 2 roots. So alpha beta plus alpha delta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma and beta delta, and then finally gamma delta. So putting this into our calculators, we'll have a b plus a c plus a d plus bc plus bd plus cd, and this will give us 6. Now we can work out the sum of all possible products of 3 roots. This will give us the sum of alpha beta delta, alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta. So on our calculators, we'll use the variables a, b, c plus a, b, d plus a, c, d plus b, c, d. And this will give us 8. And then finally, the sum of a product of our 4 roots. This will be a times b times c times d, which gives us 8 again. Okay, so at this point, if I just write these solutions in this box, we know this one is 2, we know this one is 6, and we know these two are both 8. So minus b over a will be negative 2, c over a will be 6, negative d over a will be negative 8, and e over a will be 8. So the quartic equation will be x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 8x plus 8, and this will equal 0. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again, and take care.